Those of you that have watched the channel for a while know we are always on the lookout for possibly some of the best charging solutions out there, especially if you guys have multiple devices. Not necessarily just cell phones, but AirPods or anything that can wirelessly charge. And we have a new one in-house today that I'm super excited about. It's made by Zens. It's called the Quattro Wireless Charger 4. And I'm not sure why they needed to double Quattro and 4. A little too many 4s for me, but this is in-house. It is crafted out of a zinc alloy design. It has some heft to it. This will charge 4 devices at a single time, consistently at 15 watts wireless charging, as it is Qi2 compatible. I gotta say, just look at that. Look how awesome this looks. I haven't been this excited for a wireless charger in a while. I want to go ahead and unbox it for you, show you where it is. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. I greatly appreciate it if you use it. It helps out the channel immensely. So yeah, let's dive right into this baby. So as you saw from that introduction, this is a dual stacked wireless charger, Qi2 compatibility. You can use 4 phones at any time. You can use AirPods, anything that can wirelessly charge with Qi charging. This will get you taken care of in a slick looking design. So as you can see, like I said, it does have 15 watts of wireless output, 4 at 15 watts. Let me clarify that. There are some other chargers out there that say 15 watt max output. This is not that. You will get 15 watts of output out of each spot here. And as you can see, it says it charges 4 devices, and it does come with a 65 watt power adapter included. So as you guys can see, well, there's a good example for you right there too. It has some AirPods on the side. You do have that Qi2 certified MagSafe compatibility, the 65 watt AC/DC adapter included, and the same charges 4 devices simultaneously. Let's just pop this baby right open for you guys. And it is a simple flip cover here, and I haven't even taken a look at this yet. Let's see what's on top here. Zens, thank you for your purchase. Some reading material. We'll just pluck that right to the side as well. Let's go ahead and remove, actually, let's take this out right here. Okay, nice, massive power adapter. Not a fan of this necessarily. It is pretty bulky, but it is nice to see that it came with international plugs as well. If you need for different countries, we will use the US one right here as well. And if you've never used these before, you just have to kind of line them up and twist it into place. That's all you got to do for that. And then getting to the star of the show right here. And yeah, this feels very well made. Take a look at this. It's actually cool to the touch from being shipped. It says Zens right on the front here. A single charging port back there with that barrel connector. So unfortunately, you can't switch out USB-C chargers here. But yeah, I am definitely impressed by these looks. Let me go ahead and just move this out of the way really quick. And here it is. Definitely a looker, pretty sharp nonetheless. Let's go ahead and just line up some of these phones and look at maybe some AirPods here. Yeah, let me plug this in for you guys really quick. So as you can see, we are charging. There are no LED indicators, unfortunately, on the front of this to see and verify that they are on. You will just have to kind of lift and set down to verify the charging. But if you are in the need for a multi-device charging pad, this might be it. Here's our iPhone 16e, obviously. That is not Qi2 certified, but you can just line it up and take a look down below, and you can see it's charging. Same with these AirPods. Let's move those right there and set that down. And yeah, any sort of combination you want to use can be utilized to charge this. Definitely have to say I am a huge fan, especially, like I said, with multiple devices. 3 phones, 3 iPhones. There you go. You are looking good for charging as you need. I mean, this is an all-in-one solution. 15 watts on each port. That is really, really cool to see. What do you guys think about the design on this? Let me take all these phones off and AirPods. I can't overstate how well built this feels. Apple actually sells these directly, so that should give you a vote of confidence also in the quality and backing that they actually have. Zens is a newer brand that we're aware of, so not too much history from our standpoint, but if you're looking to get something like this, this might be your best bet. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm only one person. What do you guys think about this? Are you a fan? Are you going to be picking up one of these? Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.